Hello, amazing English learners. I'm Emma, your friendly English coach, and I'm so excited to welcome you to Real Talk English. Today, we're going to talk about something super important: how to improve your English listening skills. Have you ever felt like you understand words when you read them, but when people speak, it's just too fast? Or maybe you miss important parts of a conversation. Don't worry, you are not alone. Many English learners feel this way, and today we're going to change that. I'm here to guide you with simple, practical steps that you can start using right away. We'll make listening fun and easy. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's understand why listening is so important. Think about it. When you learn your first language, you listen a lot before you speak, right? It's the same with English. Listening helps you understand new words in context, hear natural pronunciation, and feel the rhythm of the language. It's like a secret key to speaking more naturally and confidently. The more you listen, the more your brain gets used to English, and the easier it becomes to understand and even to speak. Remember this wise saying: the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Improving your listening is a journey, not a race. Every little step you take, every time you listen to English, you are making progress. Be patient and kind to yourself. My first tip is super important. Start simple. Don't jump into fast movies or complex documentaries right away. It can be overwhelming. Instead, look for content made for English learners. Think about children's stories, very slow news podcasts, or beginner-level English lessons. These resources use simpler words and slower speeds, which is perfect for training your ear. You want to understand most of what you hear, not feel lost. This builds your confidence and makes learning enjoyable. Next, let's talk about active listening. What does that mean? It means not just having English playing in the background while you do other things. Active listening means you are focused. You are trying to understand. Close your eyes for a moment if it helps you concentrate. Try to guess what might happen next. Think about the main ideas. This makes your brain work harder and learn more effectively than just hearing sounds. My third tip is to focus on pronunciation and intonation. When you listen, don't just focus on the words, but how they are said. Notice the sounds, the stress on certain syllables, and the rise and fall of the voice. That's intonation. For example, hello can sound different if it's a question or a statement. This helps you not only understand better, but also improves your own speaking. Try to copy what you hear sometimes. It's great practice. Remember, every time you try, every time you listen, you are building a new connection in your brain. It's like building a strong bridge, little by little. Don't be afraid of making mistakes or not understanding everything. That's part of learning. Celebrate your small victories, like understanding a new word or a whole sentence. You're doing great. Here's a fantastic trick. Use transcripts. Many podcasts, videos, and audio lessons provide written transcripts. Listen to the audio once without reading. Then, listen again while reading the transcript. This helps you connect the written word with the spoken sound. You can see words you might have missed or misunderstood. After that, try listening again without the transcript. You'll be amazed at how much more you understand. My fifth tip is a fun one. Watch English shows with English subtitles. Notice I said English subtitles, not subtitles in your native language. This is crucial. Your brain will want to read in your native language if given the chance, but we want to train it for English. Watching a show with English subtitles helps you catch words and phrases you might miss. Choose something you enjoy, like a cartoon, a comedy, or a simple drama. It makes learning entertaining. Who doesn't love music? My sixth tip is to listen to English music and sing along. Music is a powerful tool for language learning. The rhythm and melody help you remember words and phrases. Find songs you love, look up the lyrics, and sing them. Don't worry if your singing isn't perfect. The goal is to listen, understand, and practice the sounds and flow of English. It's a joyful way to learn. Tip number 7. Repeat and re-listen. Don't expect to understand everything the first time. It's totally normal to need to hear something multiple times. If you hear a difficult sentence or if you miss something, don't be afraid to rewind and listen again. Maybe 5 times, maybe 10 times. Each time, you'll pick up something new. Repetition helps your brain recognize sounds and patterns better. Here's another great quote for you. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Your mindset is so powerful. Believe in your ability to improve. Believe that every effort you make is bringing you closer to your goal. You have the potential. You just need to keep trying. Tip number 8. Practice with different accents. English is spoken all over the world, and there are many beautiful accents. American, British, Australian, Canadian, and many more. Don't limit yourself to just one accent. Try listening to different types of English. This will make your listening skills more flexible and prepare you for real-world conversations with people from different places. YouTube is great for finding content with various accents. My 9th tip is to use a dictionary or translator wisely. It's okay to look up words you don't understand, but don't stop the audio every single time. Try to understand the meaning from the context first. What is the general idea? If you still don't get it, then pause and look up the key words. This teaches your brain to deal with new words without interrupting your flow too much. Tip number 10. Listen to audiobooks. If you enjoy reading, audiobooks are a fantastic way to improve listening. Start with simpler books that you might have already read in your native language, or choose stories you already know well. This way, you focus more on the English sounds and less on understanding the plot. You can often find free audiobooks for beginners online. Here's a powerful one. Engage in English conversations. This is real-life listening practice. Find a language partner, join an English-speaking club, or talk to native speakers if you can. When you have a conversation, you're not just listening, you're also thinking about how to respond. It's a natural and effective way to practice your listening and speaking skills together. Don't be shy. Everyone starts somewhere. My 12th tip is to listen to podcasts on topics you love. When you are interested in the subject, it's much easier to stay motivated and engaged. Do you like cooking? Find a cooking podcast in English. Love history? Look for a history podcast. There are podcasts for almost everything. This makes learning feel less like work and more like fun. Tip number 13. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification. In real conversations, it's perfectly normal and polite to say, "Could you please repeat that?" Or, "What does that mean?" Or, "Could you speak a little slower?" People will usually be happy to help you. It shows that you are trying to understand, and it helps you learn from the interaction. You are a learner, and it's okay to need help. And finally, tip number 14. Set realistic goals and celebrate your progress. Don't expect to be perfect overnight. Maybe your goal for this week is to listen to 10 minutes of English every day, or to understand 70% of a simple podcast. When you reach that goal, celebrate it. Reward yourself. Acknowledge how far you've come. Every little step forward is a victory on your amazing English learning journey. Wow, we've covered so much today. Remember, start simple with easy audio. Listen actively. not passively. Focus on pronunciation and intonation. Use transcripts to read along. Watch shows with English subtitles only. Listen to music and sing along. Repeat and re-listen to difficult parts. Practice with different accents. Use a dictionary wisely, but don't overdo it. Listen to audiobooks. Engage in real conversations. Choose podcasts on topics you love. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification. And most importantly, set realistic goals and celebrate every step of your progress. You have everything you need to improve your English listening skills. All it takes is practice, patience, and a positive attitude. You can do this. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like. Leave a comment below to tell me which tip you'll try first. And don't forget to subscribe to Real Talk English for more easy and helpful lessons. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep learning, keep listening, keep growing. See you next time.